welcome back to Successman channel. So today I'm going to explain about what is the meaning of Python, and today I'm going to discuss with the detailed explanation and applications of the Python and why Python is so easy. So let me start. So the Python is an interpreted language, and it is a general purpose or multi-purpose and high level programming language. And the Python is a basically object oriented programming language. Okay, the Python is an interpreted language. So what is the meaning of this interpreted language means? The interpreter means actually there are two types of languages. One is a compiled language. One is compiled, second one is a interpreted language. So a interpreted programming language is a language which uses the interpreter for its translation. Okay, while compiled language uses a compiler for its translation. So compiler and interpreters are translators. They are used to translate the code. Okay, so the actual meaning of this interpreter means what it will do in Python means the interpreter can scan the program line by line and translate it into the machine code. So Python uses interpreter for its translation. So that's why Python is an interpreted language. So second point is it is a general purpose or multi-purpose. What is the meaning of this general purpose or multi-purpose? How it is general purpose or multi-purpose means? So Python is a general purpose programming language because it is not specialized to specific domain. Okay, means Python is a not specific. Okay, it is a not specific for special domain. Instead, we can use Python in multiple domain. For example, we can use in Python in web application. We can create a web application in Python like robotics and artificial intelligence and mobile application like that. So that's why Python is a general purpose programming language. So next, this is the most important. Python is a object oriented basically. So why it is a object oriented? The Python is a basically object oriented because so everything will be implemented in terms of class and object. That's why Python is a object oriented programming language. So in next video I will explain about what is the meaning of class and object and how to create a class and how to create a object. I will explain in next video. Okay, so next topic is application of the Python. First one is web application and desktop application and database applications and networking application and machine learning, artificial intelligence and games. So third concept is why Python is easy. So the Python has a simple syntax compared to other languages. For example, you can take you can add two numbers a plus b. In C language normally it take int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20. So printf a plus b. So this is C language. In Python language what happens? A equal to 10, b equal to 20. So print a plus b. So this is the Python program. So that's why it has a simple syntax and it has a less symbols. So compared to other, so that's why it is a very easy. And even the Python has a less keyword. Around 33 or 34 keywords are in this Python. So these are the concept. I hope these all concepts are clear. So if you clear, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share your friends. Thank you.